So guys, for the first step, you want to identify which Microsoft Visual C++ you're having an error with. It should be seeing it on the error message. So for example, for the one that I put on screen right now, this is happening with Visual C++ 2019 in my case. So you want to find out which one that you're having a problem with. So for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and you want to find the Microsoft Visual C++ that you're having an error with. So once you find that same Microsoft Visual C++, you want to repair it. So imagine that this is it for me. I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on modify and then click on yes. You now want to click on repair. Once you repair it, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you just want to uninstall it and then reinstall it again. So you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. And then once you've uninstalled it, there's going to be a link down below in the description. So for this link right here that's going to be down below in the description, this is going to cover Microsoft C++ 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. However, if the Visual C++ that was not working is either 2008, 2010, 2012 or 2013, then you just want to go to Google and then type in Visual C++ and then with any one of these years that I just mentioned right here. However, for most of you guys, you're going to be using the link which will be down below in the description, which is going to cover 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. So now once you're on the website that we need to re-download Visual C++, we're going to scroll down. We're now going to be having two downloads right here, x86 and x64. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, next to system type is going to be telling you. So I'm on x64, so I'm going to be getting that download. If you want this x32 or x86, you want to get the other one. So for me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to be getting the x64 download. You want to click on this. You're going to click on your download. It's now going to start downloading. And now we're going to click on the installer. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on I agree. And then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. If you get this, you're going to click on yes again. Wait for this to load. It should now be saying setup successful. We can now close out of this. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed though, then you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.